Hey guys, it's Madison. Thanks for joining me in this faithful home. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these adorable baby bunny ear soothers. They are super cute and make for a great Christmas present for a friend of yours that has a baby or maybe for your own little one. So I wanted to take you guys on this tutorial and kickstart a new series on this channel, which I am calling Sewing Saturday. I've been in a funk of not wanting to do many sewing projects, but recently I got re-inspired and I'm excited to start bringing you guys more tutorials on this channel. If you're new to my channel, I make Christian homemaking videos, lifestyle content, and anything DIY related. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. Without further ado, let's make these adorable baby teethers. All right, today's project is super easy and there are only a few things you will need, starting with your pattern, some scissors, a soft fabric like minky, a coordinating cute fabric in cotton, a wood baby teething ring, which you could buy off of Amazon, some pins, and of course, your sewing machine. The first step in this project is to cut out a pattern piece from each of your two pieces of material, so let's do that now. Now that we have these two pieces cut out, we are going to lay them right sides together and we are going to pin all the way around the entire thing. Alright, now that we have the entire thing pinned, we are going to take it over to the sewing machine and stitch around the entire thing, leaving a little gap so that we can flip it around. I'll show you that over at the machine. One thing you want to keep in mind while you are sewing around the entire thing, while keeping about 1/4 inch seam allowance, is that the minky fabric does not shift while you are sewing, so make sure that both fabrics do indeed get the stitch, and you want to sew around leaving approximately 1 inch or 2 opening so that you can turn it around. I did forget to mention, but I did put a coordinating thread color already and the bobbin. You want to pick something that matches nicely to coordinate. Now that we have it sewn all the way around the outside, we can go ahead and remove all of our pins and cut the thread and then turn this thing right side out. One tip I will give you for helping turn it right side out if you are having trouble getting into the small nooks and crannies is to grab either a skewer or I here am using a pencil. That will help push the fabric through and make sure that you poke all of the corners together. Now it is looking like it's taking shape. The only thing left we need to do is top stitch to close this hole. What I like to do is lay it flat and make sure I get a nice top stitch going as close to the edge as possible, making sure while you're doing this that both the minky and the cotton fabric are rolled under and that both catch when you do the top stitch. Alright guys, tying this teether is super easy. With your minky side up, you want to take both of your ears and wrap them towards each other, laying one on top of the other. You see how there's a slight loop twist there. Then you will take your teether ring, slide it through the material, take both of your bunny ears, wrap them back through, and pull them through that hole. Then all that's left to do is adjust your ears and pull it tight. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful baby bunny ear teether that is super soft and cozy for your little one, and they will love to gnaw and chew on this and play with it, and especially with the minky ears on the back, that will be great to go up against their soft skin. These turned out so adorable, guys. Guys, these turned out super cute. I absolutely love how they look and how easy they were to make. So I hope you guys found this video very informative and helpful, and hopefully it's inspired you to pick up the supplies you need to make this for a Christmas gift for your friend or for your little one. I have a ton of friends who have babies right now, and these are going to make perfect little Christmas gifts for them. If you guys want to see more Saturday sewing videos, make sure to leave me a comment down below what different projects you want me to make, and I will try to get to those. And if you are new to this channel, like I said earlier, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so you feel welcomed into this faithful home with me. I regularly upload videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 3 p.m. Eastern, so I will check back with you guys in another video soon. Bye guys!